looking at taking this retain wall off and putting a new one. I've already put in part of it, those bricks, and take this one off and put the bricks. Right, the old wall is off. Trying to level. We work deep into the night. This is what came off. These planks here. Now we're working on the base. Gotta make sure the base is nice and flat before you proceed. Right, this is the very most important part of putting a wall. The first layer. The first layer is, you have to get it right on this first layer. If you don't, whatever else comes is going to fail. So we need to make sure that we have a level, spirit level, going this way, and each brick has to be level this way, all of them. In here we're going to put this gravel between this wall and this sand right here, the earth. So this will help for drainage of water. When it rains, the water will come down and trickle in between this and just wash away. We don't want to keep the water at this side, because if water accumulates there, it's going to get heavy, and it might, that's why you see some walls bending over. So make sure this is level all the way, brick by brick. Whatever comes after that, it will be level all the way. Right, it's 90% complete. We're almost done with the wall. What's left is the final touches. You need to put a cap. You need to put some more gravel in these spaces here, and then our wall will be done. From here you can see this angle.